India is emerging as a leader in electric vehicles. As the e-mobility industry grows, so does the demand for skilled professionals. DIYguru and IIT Guwahati are here to upskill the engineers of tomorrow, driving India's transition to sustainable mobility. Introducing the postgraduate certification in electric vehicle and embedded systems advanced engineering. This 12-month program, created by DIYguru in collaboration with IIT Guwahati, equips you with the skills to excel in India's EV and embedded systems revolution. With hands-on workshops, embedded kits delivered to your door, and placement support, you'll be industry-ready from day one. Gain expertise in EV design, battery systems, motors, power electronics, and embedded systems using MATLAB, ANSYS, and SolidWorks. Master the skills needed to excel in control systems and dynamic simulations. Learn embedded C, microcontroller programming, and ARM Cortex development to design EV-specific embedded systems. Our hardware workshops give you real-world experience. And in the capstone project, you'll help develop and test an EV bike. Prepare for the future with advanced courses on battery packs and hydrogen fuel cell systems. Learn from world-class faculty and industry experts, gaining hands-on experience with real-world challenges. With 528+ industry connections, including Bosch, Hyundai, and L&T, you'll have access to real job opportunities in the EV and tech sectors. As India's largest e-mobility upskilling platform, DIYguru bridges academia and industry, delivering practical experience and industry-aligned training. Join the future of mobility with the postgraduate certification in electric vehicle and embedded systems advanced engineering. Enroll today and be part of India's EV revolution.